Hey everybody, this is Jack, my favorite astrophotographers. Since Siril made the best updates called RC-Astro, I will be using an X-Blur that officially that I just purchased. So now let's do those a little tutorials and how to do those a little processing of X-Blur tutorial. Okay, so I'm using a raw data image of a solar nebula with green noise remover. All you do, you just go to those RC-Astro and you can see they're showed up right here. Once you can click it, and you can just play around with those X-Blur, those setting modes. Like I picked 25% sharpened stars and 100 maximum. And all you do, you just click run X-Blur. It just did that by your own. Once it finish, you can see the stars look a little small and sharpened. Here's before, after, before, after, before, after. And you can see the little dark nebula got a little sharpened too. Since we finished processing the little tutorials of X-Blur of a solar nebula, here is the final results of the photo right here. Now let's move on to those double star clusters for the stars sharpening. Now for the stars mode, it can also sharpen the stars very well and it gives you a very HD image and also a sharpened stars image. Let's do that again for playing around with the stars. Let's set up to 35% of sharpened stars for the background. 20%. So this will be my star settings for sharpening the stars, and let's run it. Here you can see the huge difference between of before, after, before, and after. It got shrink a little teeny bit. Is because it got really sharpened even more. If you just zoom out, it looks like this. That looks like a realistic star fields. Without it, they're just little teeny blurry. With this one, it is perfectly sharpened. And it can easily get rid of the star trailing for doing this by your own for using an X-Blur. So this is it about the little tutorials of X-Blur. In the next tutorial videos we'll be using a NoiseX in the next tutorial videos. I will see you in the next tutorial videos.